Harry and Tash in House 1 are running on schedule. The tiler's making headway in the upstairs bathroom, and the Kingsman wardrobes are nearly complete in the bedroom. And Harry's got big plans for the evening.
I've bought my new spray gun.
This is
personal spray gun.
Personal spray gun, yeah. Very excited.
Harry may have mentioned his new spray gun a few times today.
We can actually do some spray painting without spraying Robbie with my new spray gun, so that's good.
You'll be painting?
Yeah, I might, yeah. You want?
Easy as,
I'll be spray painting.
Did I hear a rumour that you're going to use a spray gun?
I am.
For the first time?
Yes.
Harry.
What?
Where did you get the spray gun, Harry?
I had the spray gun at home. The spray gun I got from home.
So you're allowed to bring your own tools from home?
Well, yeah, no one said there was no rules that said you couldn't bring your own tools.
So if there's no rules, I mean, if no one's telling you...
Oh, no one's telling me, just do it. I'm ready to rock and roll. Hopefully.
How do you think your neighbours feel about your little spray gun from home?
The neighbours all know about it.
I think the neighbours, and actually, they're not too concerned.
So you're about to start painting?
What spray gun did you get? The normal one?
Yeah. What kind of spray gun have you got?
None.
How good's that?
Is Harry allowed to use that one then?
Yeah, I noticed Harry brought one in, didn't he?
Yeah.
Dirty Harry!
How's that?
Is it in the rules?
I don't know if
Dirty
it's
Harry.
in the rules.
Who knows
Dirty
if it's
Harry
in the
doesn't
rules?
have rules.
He doesn't have
He
rules.
makes the rules.
Dirty Harry.
Dirty Harry.
He's got a new
Antics.
name around the site, old Dirty Harry.
It's
He's
little
a
bit sus.
sneaky man.
How good is that? This will be done in no time.
Harry, do you think you're getting a reputation as a bit of a sneak?
Why? Who's saying I'm a sneak?
Everyone on the block is saying you're a sneak. Everybody.
Everyone.
Everybody.
No.
You don't think you're getting a reputation?
Oh, I probably am, but is it a sound? From what facts are they coming up with that? Show me the facts. I'm all about facts. Mate.